Hi friends, Sam here. So many of the time people ask me that in your personalized mode of training, you say that there is no chit chatting in the class. So if somebody has got any practical doubt how you support students. So what I do basically, I have divided that in two parts. So in 1 hour, 1.5 hour session, I do the power pack delivery of the topic. There I do not allow the chit chatting. But engagement I separated out. So engagement happens on the different level, that is also personalized. How? I believe in hand holding, not spoon feeding. So my programs are like military programs which makes you very tough soldiers. Okay, it should not be like your training program is very easy and whenever you go on the project you have to face the fire. Rather, I teach you how to face the fire in the training itself. As I said, it's like a military training program and I want you to become tough soldiers out of that. So for that, whenever you have any practical doubt, I create a dedicated Telegram group where you are there, my team is there, I am there, and whenever you got a doubt, take the screenshot and put it in the Telegram group. So me and my team is very much active over there. Okay, so mostly within 12 hours, you will definitely get the response. I'm saying in the worst case, whenever there is a time difference, US, India and all that, then 12 hours. Otherwise, we are very fast in responding. Another thing is that most of the problems getting solved on the chat itself. Okay, so I will give you the input. Most of the time I give you the hint to solve the problem and you have to solve the problem. Sometimes it takes time for you to solve this problem, but let it be. This is the learning process, my dear friends, and you should not have habit of spoon feeding. That's the intention over here. In case if problem is too much complex and even if to and fro chat is happening and problem is not getting solved, I can very well get you in the video call, practical call, and I will sit with you, my team is sit with you, we'll look at your screen and the problem gets solved there. Here the bottom line is you have to solve the problem with your own pace. It's personalized way of problem solving. Even if I gave you deadline of 24 hours, you may take more time to solve the problem. But once you solve on your own by taking my hints and inputs, you will have real sense of achievement. That's how I support you in my training programs. I hope you like that. Stay tuned. Thank you.